So we're in South Pembrokeshire today, canvassing for Plaid Cymru, and in places like this we often hear myths about Plaid. So what I've done, I've invited 3 Plaid Cymru county councillors to have a little chat with me about these myths.
I'm Jonathan Preston. I'm a Plaid Cymru County Councillor on Pembrokeshire County Council.
Hi, my name is Paul Rappy and I am a Plaid County Councillor for the chredu'r ward.
I'm Michael Williams. I'm a Plaid Cymru County Councillor for Tenby North.
Plaid Cymru is a party for Welsh speakers only.
Well, I think we're an example in Pembrokeshire. We have 6 Plaid Cymru County Councillors, 4 are not Welsh speaking. I've been in Plaid Cymru for a long time. I've never learned Welsh, I'm ashamed to say, and I feel perfectly at home within the party. And of course there are some that are not Welsh or English speaking who have command of other languages that work within Plaid Cymru.
This is something that I had on the doorstep many times when I was walking around Cefin. It's a big problem around here. I never had an opportunity to be taught Welsh. And yet I am very much a Welsh person and I'm very proud of being Welsh. Plaid has always been seen as a party that is Welsh speaking, but I joined and I'm a county councillor now in a very, very English ward.
Well, that one really annoys me because I'm not Welsh speaking. I was brought up in Tenby, my father's from Carmarthen, my mother's from Saundersfoot, and we were brought up in an English speaking household. When I was in school, about 11 years old, we started a campaign to bring Welsh into the curriculum. And now 35 years later, that is happening.
Plaid Cymru doesn't like immigrants and especially English people.
No, that's not true at all. We are very much a party that embraces all people, all nationalities, all cultures. A lot of people I met who were going to vote Plaid were English, who'd moved here, and they want to be part of that, and they'd like the idea of us having control over what's going on in our area.
Nothing could be further from the truth. That's another myth which tends to get my back up. I was, as I said earlier, brought up in an English-speaking house in Tenby, but on my mother's side of the family, we've got a vast number of members in Lancashire, and I spent a lot of my time as a child in Crosby and Liverpool. People who've come from other parts of the UK, England and across Europe have made a massive contribution to our small communities and have made themselves local, and we nurture that and we like that. It makes us who we are in Pembrokeshire.
Yes, that's absolute rubbish. I mean, I think we welcome everyone into this country, whether they're English or from other parts of Europe. If they want to play a constructive part in our country, they are most welcome, and I find most people do. We have many English that have moved into the area around Tenby, and they're made very welcome, and they contribute hugely to the community and to the culture of the community.
Voting for Plaid Cymru is a wasted vote.
Well, it isn't a wasted vote because that has been proved with our police commissioner, who's a Plaid Cymru police commissioner, who was invaluable, and I mean that in the most sincerest terms, in helping us deal with the asylum seeker unit opening up in our small village of Penally last September. Had it not been for a Plaid Cymru police commissioner at that time, I honestly think that the centre would still be used for asylum seekers at this very day.
I don't think that's true. Maybe years ago it was. We have a growing membership of Plaid Cymru in this area. We have now 3 county councillors in southeast Pembrokeshire, which is very anglicised. And in fact, I think we've all increased our majorities last time. So we are relevant, we are pertinent to the community. We can offer solutions to areas like Pembroke Dock, which has suffered dreadfully for many, many years.
I think this is the first time that is so far from the truth. They want to change, and it's a waste of time voting for Tories because they'll never get in. Plaid is the alternative to Labour.
So there you've heard it from 3 Plaid Cymru county councillors in South Pembrokeshire. Doesn't matter where you come from, whether you've moved into Wales or not, whether you speak Welsh or not, it is absolutely irrelevant. If you believe in a better future for Wales, then vote Plaid Cymru.